Okay, we are ready to do this. So I am so excited. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because I've never done this before. But let's just get to it, I guess. So I have my little jack-o'-lantern cauldron. I also have these little guys I made the other day. They're just little, I did like glitter with alcohol and some baby oil in it. So I figured we can use that for the coloring. And then I collected some berries around the yard too. We also have a bunch of the glitters. And then I foraged for different things. So I have lavender, I have cattails, and then we have some of the berries on the leaves still. But, oh yeah, and we have our nerds too. I'll leave those up there. But let's see. I think the first color that I want to make, what should I do? I kind of want to do a green one. Let's do a green one. So when I was reading up about this online, they said that you can use food coloring to make what you need, but I don't have any food coloring, I know. So I do have watercolor, which I'm hoping will work. So we'll grab out some green. Oh, I feel like that was so much. Okay, and then we're gonna add our vinegar. I don't know how much to do. And then, apologies about the plane. We'll stir it up. So we're getting it kind of green. I feel like it doesn't mix too well with the vinegar. Let's add more green to it. And I think the most fun thing about this project is that you can let your imagination just run wild with things. So you can make any like potion or any, like this could be little amethyst, something like that. This is seawater. I have some liquid gold here, you know, things like that. So this one we'll call Witch's Brew. Ooh, that's giving such a nice color. Okay. And then next, I feel like we should leave that there. What do I want to add? Let's add in some lavender. Oh, don't you love the smell of lavender too? It smells so good. Okay. And then I've been really wanting to do the nerds, so let's add some of those. I used to love nerds when I was younger. I feel like I don't really like them too much now. It looks so pretty. I just kind of want to like keep this in this jar forever. I don't know if you can see the bottom there, but with all the nerds, it's giving off such a beautiful color. Okay. Do I do glitter? Should I add glitter? I feel like glitter is gonna be so messy right now. Maybe in the next one. Let's just try this first. Okay. Next, what we do, we add in our baking soda. Oh, the bubbles. Look at it go. Oh my god, it's gonna overflow. That would be such a pretty drink, are you kidding me? What happens if we add in more baking soda? Yes, rise. Are we gonna overflow? No, I feel like this is definitely an outdoor activity. Just because it could overflow and get super messy. But there is our first one. I will call it Witch's Brew. And anyways, we're gonna do like a super glittery one next. Okay, let me go rinse this out. We are all washed up, and now for this one, I want it to be like super duper glittery and fun, like a clear glitter. So we're gonna open our little glitter pack that we got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, this is just gonna rip it right off. Now that that's open, add in some pixie dust. I want to do a lighter one too. Let's do this guy. Sorry, little dude. Some more pixie dust. I want to put in more of the nerds because it's so colorful. So we're just gonna do that. I wish I put these in like an aesthetic looking bottle. Oh. Is that too many nerds? And then we'll add in our vinegar once again. It's looking so pretty. And we will stir it up. I already lost my stirring spoon. I think I left it inside. So we're using some lavender to add extra magic into it. I feel like the nerds kind of made it like a gross color down there. Can you see that? So we're gonna edit that and we're gonna add in some, let's do purple into this to make it more pretty. You gonna open? Added in some of the violet. And just stir that guy up. There it goes. Oh, look at how pretty the lavender is. It has a bunch of sparkles all over it, all the glitter. This is how we are looking. And then add in the magic baking soda. I had a feeling that this one would explode. Oh my gosh, how cool. Let's add in a little bit more. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Where did I put my lavender? Oh, what should I call this one, you guys? Think of a clever name for me. I've been keeping all the ones I've been making in little, in little tiny bottles. So I'm gonna label them, so let me know what name you guys think would be very suiting for this one, and I will name it that. Should we add in a bit more? I feel like that was too much. Oh, it didn't go good. I was worried it was gonna super overflow on that one. So cute. That looks like a really cute drink, doesn't it? Don't drink it though. Okay, let's make one more. Now we are on to our last one. So my husband is home today and I'm just nerding out and having fun. He's just so supportive of everything that I do. But anyways, I asked if he wanted to make a potion and he said, I don't want to mess around with glitter. And I was like, we don't have to use the glitter. But anyways, he said to make him a potion that is yellow. And then he said to surprise him. So I figured what we should do, let's start off with putting the vinegar in. Hi, Chunky. My cat's over there. You want to come hang out and say hi to everyone? We'll add in the yellow first. Chunky lady, come say hi. Now every witch needs to have a cute little cozy cat, huh? Say hi. Okay, bye. So we'll do that. I need a little bit more lavender to stir with. I wish I got my my stick I started off with when I went inside. That's okay. It adds more magic. Stir, 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 stir. It's okay, nice yellow there. I feel like we should add in lavender because he loves lavender. I'm gonna add in some of these berries that I collected. He has blue eyes, so I thought they were very suiting for that. Oh my goodness! Add in the berries. What else should we do? Oh yeah! You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add in some cattails, ode to our Chunky lady. Chunky, how many cattails? Hmm? We'll do 3. And next, what else should I do? I'm gonna add in some pink glitter because it's just funny. And I'm such a girly girl and he's such a manly man, but I feel like pink glitter is kind of like my energy. So we'll add that in. Where did I just keep putting stuff in weird places, y'all. We'll use the berries to stir it all up. I've been adding nerds into everything, but we definitely have to add nerds into this one because husband and I are very nerdy people. Okay. And I think you guys know the drill by now. Let's add in the magical baking soda. There it goes. This is just so entertaining and so fun. It just brings me back to childhood and just like the magic behind it. I love it. Alrighty. That one is for the hubs. It turned into like a mucky, yucky green color now. Ew. Okay, let's go package this one up now too. So here we have it. Our 3 new potions that we made. I have my witch's brew. I need to think of a cute name for the hubs and I. And you guys, let me know what to name the purple one. Let me know. Something good, please. I'm gonna make little stickers and I'll write the names on there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very fun for me just to do things that, you know, make me feel young again, I guess. It's just fun to play. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try it at home, and if you do, definitely, you know, send me pictures on Instagram. I would love to see that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.